Welcome back to the channel. Quick video. I already went ahead and started everything, so you really don't need to see any details on how to take this off. It's simple. Just take off the little tabs all throughout. It's basically just pull them out, and that's just what it is. The goal is to basically expose the amp. Just press on this here. You just press on it and it comes out. It's just a plug. Okay, so basically what I did, I just went to Best Buy and bought a LOC, low output converter. So I tapped into, I didn't cut anything. You don't have to cut. All you got to do is grab the wire and just basically get it exposed. Grab a pick tool and split it, make a hole, and then just insert the wires in there. And I always use zip ties to secure it with electrical tape, of course. So when you're doing this car, and when you're using an LOC, this comes with a white, black, gray, black. White is basically the left side, and gray is the right side. And of course, gray, black, white, black is the negative side of it. So I grab, there's it's like an off-white or beige with red and brown twisted pairs, and then the right side is gray with the red and the brown. In German cars, usually the brown means negative, so that's why it'll be easy. So the beige with the red and the gray with the red, this is the left side and this is the right side, and you want to grab both of them. You don't want to just connect to one side, because when the music shifts from left to right, you're only gonna hear one side. So you want to be able to use left and right. So when the sound goes left, it goes left, and right, it goes right. So you don't lose any bass while doing that. FYI, this also brings two pairs of brown wires. You don't need that, so you could cut it off or tape it off. It doesn't matter. Basically the connection to the battery. Okay, I didn't go here. I actually went here with the ground. There. I put the ground there instead of on the battery. The positive, I went ahead and put it on the positive terminal. I don't know if you can see, but that's the fuse holder. I basically tucked it in and just made it, I put it underneath here so it could come out through here and into the back of the amp. Now for your remote start, this is the one I found. It's the 5 amp fuse, and basically all you get from this is it's just, as soon as you turn the car on, it gives you 12 volts to start off the amp. So that's just basically all the connections. And what's good about this car is that, also I did it on my son's car, is that you could, since it doesn't have a spare tire, you could put it in that wheel well, or that empty space there, and your amp will fit perfectly. And that's basically it. There's no magic to it. I think the hardest part was finding these two wires but I told you basically which ones they are out of the bunch. Just grab it. You could just plug this in as soon as you're done. It just clips back in. And that's basically it. I mean, that's the whole connections for the sub. And you're good to go. Any questions? Shoot me. If anybody have any questions, just write it down, and I will get back to you as soon as I get a chance. And that's all we have for the sub amp install. Thank you for watching.